Hi, my name's Henry Lee, and for the next 5 minutes, I want to empower you to have a tool and a grant that's going to allow you to acquire that tool or put this video into the hands of someone who is going to impact the future generation of our children's lives. First of all, I'd like to show you what this resource is that is going to, it's a project-based learning tool that exposes kids to sustainability, to plants and animals, to show them what the future of food looks like, but ultimately help them learn about how to extend their lifespan and their families and their communities. Secondly, I'm going to show you how to acquire a $3,000 grant for your organization or for your school in order to empower your students to do so. So I'd like to share my screen to show you what this tool looks like and what it is. It's a $3,000 grant, good for any organization or school that is a nonprofit, public or private. And on this next page here, I'm going to show you what that looks like. And so it's a garden grant program through wholekidsfoundation.org. And research has shown that kids that grow their food are 5 times more likely to eat it. And this is what our classrooms look like in more than 7,500 schools around the country. And also in conjunction with nonprofits like the Boys and Girls Club, St. Jude's Hospital, Alzheimer's and dementia organizations, different types of community centers all over the world. It's a project-based learning that empowers daycares, elementary schools, all the way up through college. And instead of their classrooms looking like this, then we turn them into something that looks like this. We show them a couple different examples of lesson plans that are all cookie cutter that you can use, like sustainability. Farmers are supposed to look like this, and over the time of desertification and soil depletion. We show them how you can grow plants using NASA designed technology that was picked up by Disney World in 2009 and now put in homes. It grows 3 times as fast as it would in regular soil. And that's what our studies show. And this is an example of a tower garden that has been grown for, on the left to the right, in less than 14 days, difference. All the different types of foods that can grow above ground as this huge variety. The kids can use experimental design. They can compare plants and animal cells. They can look at how much produce they are going to make in a 6-month time span and save money at home, and also look at cost analysis for the future food. They look at design of technology and how aeroponic technology compares to hydroponic technology and growing in the ground. And they see that it grows 3 times as fast and has more nutrient density, 30% more yield, uses 98% less water and 98% less space. And you can grow full year round, especially in places like Ohio, where I live, in my school with 3 tower gardens here at Dublin Jerome High School. They don't have to limit themselves to the growing season, and using this tool, they can actually have lights on the top, and it doesn't require any kind of soil or weeding or mulching. It's completely safe for kids of all ages. And we get to transform the cafeteria and the way that foods and fitness and global gourmet. But at the ultimate end of the day, we teach the kids you are what you eat and you crave what you eat. And so we're changing the microbiome and the immunity of these students that we are putting this in the hands of. The Ronald McDonald House here in Columbus uses it for their cafeteria. We're looking to expand it into community centers all over the place. This is Kemper House of Worthington here. I'm on the left, and we use it to combat the effects of Alzheimer's and dementia. Food pantries and homeless shelters, 2 different models here. On the left and the right, we can put them into the hands of your nonprofit or school, essentially for free. Instead of a single tower, we have an option of getting 3 towers because the grant is worth $3,000. And so you can get them those 3 tower gardens that can grow indoor or outdoor, or close to 5 tower gardens if you're just growing outside. You can see that the garden grant is good for US and Canada K through 12 schools, that's private or public, and nonprofit organizations. We are going to be sharing these details on a webinar on Monday evening and on Tuesday evening. And so we'd love for you to attend those to learn more about this, acquiring this tool that's going to transform the lives of our future generations. There's also on Saturdays, every Saturday at 8 o'clock, you can join us live on Zoom, and you can learn more about how we're changing the world, and also the extending the lifespan of kids, essentially, by showing them a tool that is going to empower them to take control over their health. So thanks for watching, and would love to the opportunity to put this into the hands of an educator, of a nonprofit organization that has the potential to essentially acquire 3 of these tower gardens for free for this year of 2021.